All right, we're in front of the IPL. This thing's been collecting tons of tree sap, bird poop, and whatever. So let's test this thing out. Alright, today we're checking out the Adams Polishes foam gun. Got this on Amazon. Comes with the nozzle here, easy quick attachment with container for your car wash fluid. We're going to be testing this out to see the functionality, quality wise. First impressions, plastic is, what you expect from a cheap foam gun. Not really heavy duty, not good for commercial use, but if you're washing your car once every other week, this should be fine. I have not tested it out, just put some fluid in there. We'll see if this thing is worth it. Let's go test it out. Now, here we are from the IPL. I'm collecting a lot of tree sap. As you can see here, spots all over. So let's see how well this thing sprays. Wow. That's some really foamy action. This thing's actually pretty good. Range wise, I'd say it's about 3 feet of range. Spray this thing over. I am really impressed so far. Let's head to the other side. Let's foam this baby up. Wow. All right, this thing looks awesome. I think it does the job. All right, just got done foaming up the car, fully foaming it up twice already. As you can see, there's still a lot of liquid left compared to using the traditional bucket. I practically use maybe half of what I would normally use, and without having to dump the remaining liquid away, which is the waste. So this thing's definitely a money saver as well, and its efficiency surpasses that of using a traditional bucket and sponge. So yeah, so if you guys want to check it out, I have a link in my description. Go grab yourself one, and yeah, enjoy. Thank you for watching.